Well, as COVID numbers start to rise in many parts of the nation, health professionals are reminding everyone about the importance now of masking up in public.
Annie Satowski has more from doctors at Spectrum Health in this week's Medical Moment.
No matter where you go in West Michigan, most businesses are requiring masks, and doctors say it's a smart move.
First is it decreases your risk of inhaling droplets or virus from other people that may be shedding virus, but it also prevents you as an individual who may be infected from transmitting the virus around.
Dr. Russell Lampin, the division chief of infectious disease at Spectrum Health, says it's important to keep up those hygiene and distancing practices.
Hand washing is going to be extremely important, using hand sanitizer when you're coming in and out of public spaces, trying to maintain social distancing from people, so staying more than 6 feet away if possible, avoiding large crowds.
Dr. Lampin says he's heard a few misconceptions and myths about wearing masks too.
If you're sick, that the mask essentially captures virus and you end up breathing more virus back in and it makes you sicker. And by the way, if you have the virus, your body is already working to fight it with its immune system.
He says while it may be uncomfortable, especially in the heat, it's a necessary step to keep transmission down.
There was a study that was done that used some mathematical modeling, but showed that if 60% of people wore masks that were 60% effective, that we'd be able to end the pandemic in the United States. Football season is around the corner, and if we don't get our virus levels down to low enough standards, I think it's going to be difficult for us to be holding mass events like football games.
With Governor Whitmer shutting down indoor bar service, Dr. Lampin says it's a good idea to take a look at your surroundings when eating out at a restaurant.
I think if you're in a restaurant where, again, you're outdoors or they've got high ventilation situations and the tables are spread, probably not as important to wear a mask.
And he says now more than ever, we all need to be extra aware of our health and take the proper steps if you're not feeling quite right.
Staying home if you feel ill, right? So monitoring yourself for those symptoms of fever, shortness of breath, cough, sore throat, body aches, and even more minor symptoms like congestion. Some people have nausea or diarrhea.
That was Annie Satowski. Dr. Lampin also says keeping hand sanitizer in your car or your purse and using it often is helpful when you can't wash your hands. For more COVID resources and to learn more about Spectrum's response, just head to the website right there on your screen.